Welcome back to Surviving Networking and IT. And we're going to go ahead and build out the Mikrotik Home Lab using GNS3 and VMware Workstation Player. We're going to go ahead and through the process of finding and downloading the software and getting it installed. And then for the next video, we'll go through the actual configuration that you'll need to go through. Let's go ahead and flip over to my screen. And we're here on GNS3.com, the software that empowers network professionals. Click on free download. Now, if you're already logged into the site, it'll have your name in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and click on log out. Hey, it didn't work. I think I've already logged out. Yep. Free download. Download again. It says, oops. Hey there, you need an account to download the software. Go ahead and create a free account. It takes just your email address, I think your name, and setting a password for the site. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And for this site, I am going to go ahead and hide my email address because I love you folks. And I am now logged in. I'm going to click on download, and this is going to download the software. And it's going to ask you, hey, do you want to download more free tools? Go ahead and click on X, say no, and the software has now been downloaded. We're going to go to VMware.com, and to download the VMware Workstation Player, click on Products, Workstation Player, and click on Download for free. It'll open another tab. And towards the middle or bottom of the screen, click on Go to Downloads. And should bring you to a screen similar to this. Look for the one that says VMware Workstation 17.02 and Windows 64-bit operating systems. So click on Download Now. Or click on Keep. And while that's downloading, I'm going to flip back to the other GNS page because we forgot one thing. One thing we do need to download is download the GNS3 VM. Click on this. It's going to ask us which VM we're going to use. We're going to use VMware Workstation or Infusion. On download, and it'll start downloading. While that is downloading, we're going to go ahead and install VMware Player. Click on yes. And I'll bring the install screen over. And we're basically going to click next all the way through. All right, and it does take a minute to install the virtual network drivers. This is how your PC will communicate with the VMs inside VMware Workstation Player. And looks like it has finished. Click on Finish. And we're going to launch GNS3. And yes. For the installer over here. Next. Now in this section where it asks for components, you want to go ahead and make sure you check Win PCAP as well as the Vert Viewer. Next. Next. And on my machine, since I have some of these tools already installed, it's going to ask if I want to reinstall them or overwrite them. I'm going to say no, because do that. So here's one of them. It says, hey, we're going to skip that. Here's another version we're trying to install that's older. And it's downloading a version of Vert Viewer. That's fine. Running, and it has completed. I'm going to ask you if you want to install some free tools. I always say no on this. Click next, and we're going to not check GNS3. Finish. And now it says, hey, thank you for downloading and installing the software. I'm going to ask you for another free tool bundle, and click on cancel or X. All the things have been downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and open up the GNS3 VM for VMware Player, and we're going to extract this. Extract. And I want to pick a folder on my drive here. VMs. Okay. Okay, again, and it says, hey, do I want to overwrite? I'm going to say yes, because I already have it. I'm going to overwrite it anyways. And this completes the downloading and basic installation of the tools that we need. I'm going to go ahead and stop it here, and I will see you in the next video where we will we'll import the VM for GNS3. We'll go ahead and configure the networking for VMware Player. We'll fire up GNS3, let it start up all the way, connect it to the VM, and then we'll build from there. Thanks so much.